Manhattan. Manhattan is one such place in New York City that first time visitors simply cannot afford to miss. It is the very heart of the city where history, culture, business, entertainment, and global influence come together in one vibrant space. It is not just a destination, it is an experience, one that truly defines the spirit of New York. It is one of the five boroughs of New York City, that is Manhattan, Brooklyn, Queens, the Bronx, and Staten Island, and is primarily located on Manhattan Island, bordered by the Hudson River, East River, and Harlem River. Its strategic waterfront locations made it a natural hub for the trade, immigration, and urban development, shaping New York City into a global metropolis. For first time visitors, the best place to begin exploring Manhattan is Grand Central Terminal. It is one of the city's most important transportation hubs, well connected by regional trains, subways, and buses to neighboring towns and every corner of New York City. The subway network spreads across Manhattan and beyond, making it easy to reach almost every iconic attraction. Grand Central itself is a landmark worth exploring. Its grand architecture, famous ceiling, and historic charm make it a perfect spot to pause, take photographs, and soak in the city's energy. Bryant Park is a lively green space in the heart of Manhattan, located just across the road from Grand Central Terminal. Surrounded by iconic skyscrapers and the New York Public Library, it serves as a popular gathering place for both locals and visitors. The park hosts a wide range of activities throughout the year, from outdoor movies, games, and fitness classes in the warmer months to a festive winter village and ice skating in colder seasons. More than just a park, Bryant Park is an important cultural and social hub, offering a moment of calm amid the fast pace of the city and showcasing the vibrant, ever changing energy of Manhattan. Once you are here in Manhattan, getting around is surprisingly simple. An extensive subway system, public buses, yellow taxis, ride sharing services, and pedestrian friendly streets ensure smooth travel. The city's grid style layout further helps first time visitors to navigate confidently even without local knowledge. Manhattan is not just a city, it is the engine that powers the global economy. As one of the world's most influential financial centers, it is home to major banks, multinational corporations, and markets that shape the future of global trade. At its core lies Wall Street, often called the financial heartbeat of the world. Nearby, the iconic charging bull represents strength, ambition, and market optimism, while the fearless girl stands boldly as a symbol of confidence, resilience, and progress. Standing here is more than sightseeing. It is witnessing a place where powerful decisions are made every day. Decisions that ripple across borders and influence economies far beyond the United States. Just about 5 to 7 minutes walk from here stands One World Trade Center, also known as the Freedom Tower. Rising proudly above the skyline, it is a powerful symbol of strength, hope, and resilience. As the tallest building in the Western Hemisphere, it reflects New York City's determination to rise again stronger than ever after adversity. Right beside the Freedom Tower, the 9/11 Memorial and Museum offers a deeply moving and emotional experience. The twin reflecting pools set in the footprints of the original twin towers are surrounded by the names of the lives lost. The atmosphere here is quiet and respectful, inviting visitors to pause, reflect, and remember. The museum below tells the story of tragedy, courage, and the city's remarkable journey of rebuilding. The scene around this area is equally impressive. You will notice modern architecture, wide pedestrian walkways, and a calm yet meaningful vibe. Nearby attractions include the Oculus, a stunning white wing shaped structure that serves as both a transportation hub and a shopping center. It is a great place to admire architecture, grab a coffee, or simply watch the city move. If you are feeling energetic and can walk a little further, about 20 to 25 minutes on foot, do not miss the iconic Brooklyn Bridge. Walking across this historic bridge is an experience in itself, offering breathtaking views of the Manhattan skyline, the East River, and Brooklyn ahead. It is one of the most photographed spots in the New York City. One attraction which you simply cannot afford to miss while exploring Manhattan is the Statue of Liberty, a timeless symbol of freedom, hope, and democracy. Standing proudly on Liberty Island, it is usually reached by ferry from Battery Park, offering beautiful view of the New York harbor along the way. For many visitors, seeing the Statue of Liberty is more than just a sightseeing stop. It is an emotional moment that defies New York City. And here is a usual hack to keep in mind. If you want to save on ferry costs, there is a public ferry that runs 24 hours on all days of the week at a regular intervals and is completely free. While it does not stop at the island, it offers clear, close enough view of the Statue of Liberty, making it a smart and budget-friendly alternative. Manhattan's skyline is one of the most recognizable in the world, featuring landmarks such as the Empire State Building and One World Trade Center. Observations deck offer breathtaking views, making them a highlight of photography and sightseeing. Times Square is one of the most iconic and recognizable places on earth. Surrounded by towering neon lights, massive digital billboards, and non-stop energy, this area truly feels like the heart of Manhattan. Street performers, musicians, and costumed artists add to the lively atmosphere, making every visit feel like a live show. People from all over the world come here to experience the buzz, take photos, watch Broadway advertisements, light up the night, and simply feel the pulse of New York City. Whether it is a day or night, Times Square represents Manhattan's global influence in entertainment, media, advertising, and popular culture. Manhattan is home to Broadway, the highest level of professional theatre in the United States. Broadway is important because it sets global standards for performing arts and contributes significantly to culture and tourism. Another iconic place to visit in Manhattan is Central Park, a vast green oasis spread across more than 800 acres right in the heart of the city. With walking paths, lakes, bridges, and open spaces, it offers the perfect escape from the busy streets. Millions of visitors come here each year to relax, bike, picnic, or enjoy live performers. More than just beautiful, Central Park helps clean the air, supports wildlife, and brings a touch of nature to one of the world's busiest urban centers. Manhattan is not only a global center of business and culture, but also a hub of knowledge and creativity. Prestigious institutions like Columbia University and New York University add to the city's intellectual beauty, blending historic campuses with the vibrant energy of urban life. These universities play a key role in education, research, and innovation, attracting bright minds from around the world and shaping Manhattan's reputation as a city of ideas and inspiration. Manhattan is home to the headquarters of the United Nations, located along the East River, making the city a global center for diplomacy and international dialogue. Leaders and diplomats from around the world gather here to discuss peace, cooperation, and global challenges, elevating Manhattan's importance far behind national borders and reinforcing its role as a city with worldwide influence. Fifth Avenue is one of Manhattan's most iconic streets, known worldwide for luxury, style, and celebration. Lined with famous brands like Tiffany and Company, Saks Fifth Avenue, Gucci, etc. It attracts visitors from across the globe. During the festive season, the avenue sparkles with holiday lights and stunning window displays, especially the famous Christmas showcases at Saks, home to landmarks such as St. Patrick's Cathedral, Rockefeller Center, and the nearby Museum Mile. Fifth Avenue perfectly blends shopping culture and classic Manhattan charm. Especially during the festive season, the atmosphere becomes even more magical. Streets sparkle with holiday lights, storefronts are beautifully decorated, and the air buzzes with the celebration and excitement. Whether you are looking for a relaxed evening with jazz, a vibrant dance floor, or a scenic rooftop experience under the stars, Manhattan offers unforgettable nighttime entertainment for every taste and mood. As we come to the end of our journey through Manhattan, we hope this video gave you a glimpse of the energy, beauty, and unforgettable spirit of this incredible city. From iconic landmarks to lively streets and magical nights, Manhattan truly has something for everyone. Thank you very much for watching this video and spending your valuable time with us. If you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel Ultimate Images for more travel stories, tips, and inspiring visuals from around the world. Your support means a lot to us, and we look forward to exploring many more amazing destinations with you. Until then, keep exploring and stay inspired. Thank you very much.